This is not a robot. It is an emotional creature. It gets scared when you leave it up, happy when you pet it, and if things go wrong, it gets really mad and even shoot at you. So here's our main star, the LOOI Robot. Let's do a quick interview. Hey LOOI, say hi to everyone.
Hello everyone. It's wonderful to connect with all of you.
Let's check it out. LOOI is a combination of your phone and a motorized robot base. This is how it works. Your phone acts like the robot face and brain, receiving your command and then control its physical part through an app called LOOI. To start, simply wake up LOOI by holding its front sensor for a few seconds until the light turns on. Open the LOOI app, put your phone on the base and it's come to life. LOOI works with different phones. If you got an iPhone with MagSafe, it snaps on automatically. If you have an older iPhone or an Android, just attach the docking ring that comes in the box and it should work properly. It looks pretty cute, futuristic and very compact, but I'm not buying it because of how it looks. It's really about what it can do. LOOI runs on ChatGPT 4.0, so it can answer pretty much any question you throw at it. Whenever you want to chat, just say, "Hey LOOI," and it will start listening. Hey LOOI, can you recommend me anything to eat tonight?
How about some delicious sushi tonight?
Okay.
It's a great choice, and I think you'll enjoy it.
How do you know if I enjoy it or not?
I remember you mentioned your love for sushi before, so
Okay.
I figured it might still delight you. How about you? Is it still a favorite?
Maybe I'm in the mood for a burger today.
A burger sounds like a tasty choice. I bet it will make your evening even better.
Do you want to join me?
Of course, I'd love to join you. It sounds like fun.
It will feel like you are making a call on a ChatGPT app with a back and forth conversation, but instead of getting just plain answer, LOOI adds more personality. Whenever it responds to your answer or interacts, it always moves until its head to match the context. After that, with different animated eye expression, making the conversation feel even more natural and alive. LOOI has access to your phone camera, mics and touch sensor, so it's not just about talking. You can interact through touch, like give it a gentle pat to its face and it will react with a happy expression. But if you pat it too hard, it might get mad and sometimes even fight back at you. LOOI can also tell where you are. For example, if I turn it away like this, and I'm gonna say the command, "Hey LOOI, come here." So it will quickly scan the surrounding environment until it finds the way back to you. It's very smart. It also does a pretty good job with real-time tracking. If you open the in-app camera, LOOI will automatically keep you framed perfectly. No matter how fast you move, you are always right in the center. You can also play some basic game using your head movement. I personally don't like it. It's too hard for me. I try and fail so many times. LOOI has 3 modes: sleep, stay, and explore. You could do everything I just showed in the stay mode. Switch to sleep mode to keep it quiet for a bit, or explore mode to let it roam and play on its own. LOOI will start exploring its surroundings, and don't be worried, it's not gonna fall off the table. LOOI has over 12 sensors all around, so it can do pretty good at edge detection or obstacle avoidance. I tried pushing it close to the edge, but it immediately backed off and even showed its nervous little face. So after trying out all its features, I'm sure that a lot of people will find this product interesting. People who want a desk buddy for a quick chat or interaction to ease their work stress, and whenever they need to focus, they can use it as a wireless charger or even a digital clock. In another scenario, it is also useful for people who are non-English speakers to have a daily conversation and gradually build up their communication skill. Or people with kids, LOOI could be a fun little companion on the desk or on the playground for your kid to spend less time on the screen or social media. But before you go ahead and buy, there's something I want you to keep in mind. LOOI is great for general info and fun, but if you need something to handle complex research or fit into your actual workflow, stick with your computers or advanced AI tools for the best results. And LOOI now support 8 popular languages, so if yours is on the list, I'm sure you will enjoy even better experience with it. So LOOI might not be the smartest out there, but it got to be one of the cutest for sure. If you're interested about this robot, make sure you check out the link in the description. And right now you can buy the black model. This cute little white one you can buy at the end of this month. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.